So this afternoon we're going to talk about the ODRA MT4H mechanical sweeper. This particular model is mounted on a Ford F550 chassis. This chassis is 19,000 pound GVW. The thing that's a little bit different about this model here is that the chassis has a gasoline engine in it, and the auxiliary engine is still our Kubota diesel engine. And that Kubota 4-cylinder engine powers a Sauer Danfoss hydraulic pump, variable displacement piston type pump, and it produces 32 gallons a minute flow, which is the highest in the industry. That hydraulic flow all runs through these valves here, and these valves feature manual overrides on them. So when you're doing maintenance or cleaning, you can do every function out here that you can do inside the cab. It just saves jumping in and out of the cab. So once that oil passes through these valves, it passes through our hydraulic hoses, which you can see are all accessible, and we mount them properly using proper fasteners. They're actually rubber isolators, and it really cuts down on the chafing and premature wear on the hoses. We use JIC fittings on our hoses so that you can have your own hose made locally if one bursts on you, rather than waiting to order it from the manufacturer. The electrical system, very straightforward. We stayed away from electronics by design when we designed our electrical system. You know, there's no touch screens, no joysticks. It's all rocker switches inside the cab. Very simple, straightforward, easy to diagnose if something goes wrong. This cooler here is for the hydraulic system. The fan is run by a brushless motor that runs continuously, and it's quiet, and it works really, really well. The side brooms on both sides of the sweeper, you can adjust the down pressure from inside the cab as well as the tilt angle. The hopper lift system is a single mast rather than a scissor lift. We use a single mast. This is a 5-stage cylinder, high capacity and very high efficiency. The hopper is a 4 cubic yard volumetric capacity. The elevator assembly is something that we've used on all of our sweepers. It's a 8 squeegee style elevator. Is very effective in all kinds of debris, especially any kind of aggregate. And the nice thing about our elevator is when it comes time to do maintenance or service on it, you can do maintenance right here where it is, but also we've designed it so that it's very easily removable. It's an industry leading feature. Our down pressure on our side brooms is independent adjustment. So each end of the broom is suspended on a spring, and you can adjust the down pressure very easily by just pulling a pin and removing or just lowering this device here. The water tank is a 220 gallon water tank. The hydrant hose here to hook onto a hydrant and fill the hopper. We offer a elevator flushing system. You can just divert the water when you open the hydrant, and it flushes out your elevator. So the 220 gallon water tank supplies water to 4 spray bars. There's one on each side broom, a spray bar that's in the main broom compartment, and then under the front bumper there's another spray bar. Here's the water strainer. You should check that once a week or so. And the water pump is an electric diaphragm pump, and it's located right in behind the strainer. The control panel inside the cab, easy to operate. It's non-intimidating. Rocker switches, like I was alluding to earlier, that just cuts down on any problems that may arise.